I'm George Eastwood, Executive Director of the Emily Whitehead Foundation. Yeah, lots of momentum, as evidenced at our event in Boston last week, where we relaunched and reexpanded our foundation's mission. It's been a long journey as part of the board and now Executive Director. But what's really apparent is the need for the support for patients and caregivers in rare disease and cancer, as well as the true advocacy at the political level and providing access to all patients. So what started in pediatric cancer, it's now expanded to this gigantic field of advanced therapies. And there's more patients, adults, rare disease patients than ever that are in need. So shifting our mission to focus on those unique challenges in that ecosystem and the unique support needed in these complicated, expensive therapies is where we're headed. So this year's meeting on the Mesa has been great, especially with great news to share around the expansion of our mission and the work we've been doing. And really amazing to see the patients at the forefront, starting with Tom, continuing Emily's story of thriving, meeting Marcy McHugh, the first MF patient treated with CAR-T, and then the last day here, closing with Victoria's amazing story of overcoming her sickle cell through advanced therapies. So it's been a great week.